So this is going to be a quick review and first test of the Scarifier for the Liberty 43. Allett sent me this to get rid of my leaves. Let's see how it works. And let's assume we gotta bring it down to the S for scarifying. Okay, so that got us this much leaves, which I think is pretty good. And it stripes it. And then I had it set a little higher because it was kind of just digging into the ground when it was too low and digging up dirt. But which I guess that would kind of be good for actual dethatching too. Look at all the leaves. Yeah, so overall the Scarifier is great. It picked up pretty much all the leaves, did a bit of dethatching, and it actually stripes the grass pretty well. The grass was a little bit tall, so what I'm gonna do is actually cut it, and then it should be good to go. I should have some nice stripes. I like this. And then I also have the whole rack and an aerator, I believe. So I'm going to test more of them out, and if you want to get some of these, hit up allett.ca, because this whole ecosystem of having everything built into this is actually pretty awesome. Like, I literally didn't have to pick up leaves. And just for fun, I'm going to switch over back to my cutting cartridge, and I'll show you how quick that is. So overall, would highly recommend getting the Scarifier cartridge if you already have an Allett mower. This is what my lawn looks like after a nice little Scarifier to get the leaves and a nice little cut. If you don't have a lawn like this, step up your game. Get one of these. They're the best.